Hello. Today I would like to discuss the 50,000-seat VMware View reference architecture project. With this reference architecture, 5 partners, NetApp, Cisco, VMware, Wise, and Fujitsu work together to create a large-scale desktop virtualization reference architecture environment. With NetApp storage virtualization, Cisco's network virtualization, VMware server virtualization, and Wise and Fujitsu's compute technologies, this reference architecture brings each vendor's industry-leading technologies together to create a robust, scalable, and modular desktop virtualization environment. This environment was designed using a pool of desktops, or pods, concept. The pod design is composed of 60 Fujitsu or Cisco UCS servers, 5,000 virtual desktops, 2 FAS3170s, 2 vCenter servers, and 3 VMware View connection servers. Also, for access to the virtual desktops, Wise Zero clients were used. Each pod is a self-contained desktop virtualization environment, complete with Active Directory subdomains and all storage, network, and compute resources needed. These pods are then easy to replicate in order to scale quickly and rapidly from 5,000 virtual desktops out. With this pod-based architecture, there is not a feasible limit to the degree of scale-out that can be achieved. Scalability is key when creating a desktop virtualization environment. To achieve scalability, the pod design takes advantage of NetApp's hardware-assisted cloning, virtual storage console for management, deduplication for storage reduction, and transparent storage cache sharing for performance enhancement of the desktop virtualization environment. The design can be used to scale to business units within an organization or to scale to individual geographic regions quickly and efficiently. The pod is the same for all deployments. This modularity allows for ease of administration and consistency throughout the entire desktop virtualization architecture. The design was laid out with a real-world format that has individual sites created representing multiple geographic regions. Each city vCenter housed 2,500 virtual desktops and was configured as part of an overall geographic location. In order to perform the deployment, NetApp's VSC Virtual Storage Console was used. This vCenter plugin takes advantage of NetApp's built-in hardware-assisted cloning features to rapidly clone thousands of virtual desktops across each pod. VSC pre-configures the virtual desktop and adds them to Active Directory, vCenter, and the VMware View 4.5 connection servers. VSC allows a set-and-forget method of deployment across the pod, making deploying thousands of storage-efficient virtual desktops as simple as a few mouse clicks. VSC also allows for a consistent and highly performing virtual desktop throughout the pod. Pictured here is the process you would go through to deploy virtual desktops with NetApp VSC. This process is simply a matter of selecting the template virtual desktop you would like to clone, setting the number of virtual desktops to clone, setting the virtual desktop name to be used, choosing a customization specification to use, and setting the data store name, size, and options for data store creation. VSC automates the deployment from this information and even imports the virtual desktops into VMware View. The goal of this reference architecture was to design a scalable roadmap for customers to use in order to deploy their own VMware View 4.5 environments. By using this reference architecture as a roadmap for their own VMware View 4.5 environments, customers can be secure in knowing that the sizing, design, and configuration for the environment will already have been performed by the partners associated with the project.